Good morning. So it turns out that I was able to get a sub for today because I have a training that I need to go to for Avid. So I know it happens all the time. Today, you guys are watching a documentary, and then you're going to enjoy a 4-day weekend and get lots of good sleep. And so I know that it's going to be it's a good day. It's a very interesting documentary. It really goes deeper into this idea that we talked about with genetics and just some really cool stuff about evolution too. So there are some case studies, and I definitely recommend that you'll use page 74 for some open note taking, and then use your video guide, and you'll put that on 74 as a flip because remember 72 and 73 you have the notes that we just completed. And so that'll be your day. And you'll watch it collectively. It's in my saved items um, as one of the YouTube, like, what's it called? Like, you're going to watch it, your watch list. I guess that's what it's called. And so go ahead and take a look at the watch list, and you should be able to find what Darwin never knew, or just open search on YouTube what Darwin never knew, and it will come up. So it's a pretty popular documentary. It's a PBS documentary, and it's nice if you can watch it in HD. I'll show you what it looks like at first when it comes up. And so let me click out of that. Um, do a little refresh, and maybe it'll show that for me. I think it's working. Oh, of course it was. Oh my gosh. I don't know how we got in the middle there. So when it first comes on, you see the sunset. And so if that's the intro, then you're on the right video. And so that is what you're doing today. Answer all the questions, what Darwin ever knew, so you can see here. Good subscribe. Maybe that makes it easier. Always have a good day. Be awesome. Be your best self. Go hang your phones up in the pockets. You don't need those things. You don't need the distraction. If you don't get all the way through the documentary today, you can see it's almost a 2-hour documentary. So I know that you're not going to get all the way through it. I actually have it set up to be in Google Classroom as an ed puzzle, and I will be watching to see that you complete that. So it is on both ends, and I'll post that a little bit later today. Have a good one. Don't forget to answer the daily question here. Um, Remember, I talked about this yesterday, but like, what's that language or the molecule we learned about before? It's shared by every living thing, and it's very significant that is shared. All right, get that written down. Get that agenda written down on page 71, and you can go ahead and pause the video at this point, and then if you just swipe up on the remote, the controls will drop out of the way, and you can see everything. All right, bye guys.